Come on. A bit more lively today. Had quite a bit of food yesterday. I had them out, but they didn't want to know about even flying from there to there. Too hungry. So I've had to up it a little bit. Just to give them a little bit more energy to actually get off the loft. That's what I'm doing anyway. Whether it's right or wrong, who knows? Come on. They weren't doing this yesterday. Too hungry. Come on. Half of me want them to go up because they're sitting ducks on the shed roof, and the other half of me don't want them to go up because they might just go up and not come down again. He's going up though, isn't he? I've got a red that goes as well. One red and one blue goes up. Come on. They got him down, didn't it? Bit of action, got him down. They go mad when they see the droppers now. Come on. Come on. I reckon these are going to go up on Saturday. I'm working most of Saturday, so when I finish work I might put them out and I reckon they'll go up. like sheep. As soon as one come over, they all go over. Then one go back, they all go back. And they're better off flying than what they are sitting in the shed doing nothing. So I think anyway. Come on. See the level of excitement escalate when the droppers go out. They know something's coming. They're like, oh, gone again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I reckon they're definitely going to go on Saturday. I'm just going to throw it down in a minute. Good old British weather. Talking about the weather, rain. Tiplemen 266. My grass at the minute. Scarified it. I'm going to treat it at the weekend. Get some new grass seed down, and that's going to look lush. Rain does it good, doesn't it? But yeah, I want to test, actually while we're on the subject of the lawn, I want to test the power of the internet, and I'll put a video at the end of this video. I'll put a video on the link on the screen. I want to see if everybody would subscribe to this bloke. He's a lawn man. 2016, one of his lawns he does. Got British Lawn of the Year 2016, and I think the bloke's brilliant. So please just click on the picture, click on his channel and just subscribe. You haven't even got to watch the videos. I just want to see if any of my subscribers will subscribe to him. He's only got about 200 subscribers, and the bloke's a genius. And yet other people I know got thousands of subscribers and getting paid, and they talk crap. So please everybody, go over and just subscribe to this channel for this lawn. His name's Daniel Hibbert, lawn expert, I think it is. And if you go on, just put a comment and say Joe from, just say Joe M Tipplers or Moatside Lofts sent you over, please. Right, enough of that. Thanks a lot, see you later. Don't forget to subscribe to that bloke. I just thought I'd put this on the end of that video. I just put 4 hens out. 3 fit ones and the pilot, the print. It's not quite fit, but I just put them up for 4 hours. They can do 4 hours. It's now 5 o'clock. They can get up there and look at them bad boys. But it's now kind of a very cloudy. That might put the print down, but I think the other 3 will crack on. They're well up there. Beautiful. Please don't forget, check out that lawn man and just press subscribe. Right, so you haven't even got to look at the videos, but I think the guy deserves a lot more subscribers than what he's got.